Hello everyone. Today we are going to have a walkthrough of Paytm Money app. Now there are so many mutual fund apps in the market, but I find Paytm Money to be quite simple and useful. So in this series of videos, we'll do a step-by-step learning exercise of the Paytm Money app. So starting with the menu and the navigation bar, you can see that there are 5 different tabs. I'll go to the first tab, which is all transactions. Now this is a summary of all your transactions that you have done on the Paytm app. What you can also do, you can look at all the transactions in which you have purchased your mutual funds. Then if you go to the sell tab, you can identify what are the various redemptions or withdrawals that you have done through your Paytm app. There is a very interesting option of switch. Now this allows you to bring your mutual funds on various other portals, various different apps onto Paytm Money. As you can see, I have been able to successfully switch 2 of my mutual funds on some other apps. We'll talk in detail about the switch methodology in subsequent videos. If we move to the failed tab, there may be various transactions which are failing due to internet connectivity issues or payment gateway issues, so they will come under the failed tab. So transaction history gives you a detailed overview of all the transactions that you have done in the Paytm Money app till date. Now going back, in the menu option there is something called as account statements. Now they have beautifully segregated the portfolio statement, the transaction statement, the ELSS tax statement, which is nothing but the statement for your tax saving mutual funds. Then there is an interesting report on your realized gain statement, and lastly investment insights. So different kind of investment statements are available, and we'll try to take a look at one of them. So as on 3rd May, if I request a statement, they have sent me on my email ID, which I will be able to check. Now Paytm also does your risk assessment. If you look at my risk profile, I am a growth investor. I am able to have a moderately high risk. So as per your inputs, while you take the test, you can mention your goals, you can mention your risk appetite, and you will be able to know your risk profile. And below this, it is suggesting various investment packs which Paytm Money is offering. So we'll go back to the menu option and look at the last tab, which is customer support. Now they've very well segregated different customer support queries, be it the investment options, be it mutual funds, be it super saver deposit. So it's a very comprehensive support system which Paytm app is offering. Although they don't have a direct customer line, but when I send out few queries, they were able to respond me in a 24 hours turnaround time. So that's it for this video. We have covered the menu tab, where you can go to each of these tabs and look at them in detail. Thank you. We'll see you in next video.